Good morning, Leo. Today feels special. Good morning, little ones. How about a family adventure today? Yay!
Let's take some healthy snacks and plenty of water.
I want to see butterflies and and I'm bringing my camera. Ugh.
Then our adventure begins.
Look, Dad, a butterfly.
Beautiful, isn't it?
There are flowers everywhere.
Nature is full of wonderful surprises. There is so much to discover.
This park is amazing.
Look at those ducks. Stay together, kids.
Mom, Dad, come quickly.
What happened to this little bird? It looks like its wing is hurt.
Can we save it?
Of course, but we must be very gentle.
I found some soft leaves.
Wonderful, Mia.
Here is some water.
Good job, everyone. Kindness means helping someone who needs us.
I hope our little friend gets better. It looks happier now.
Maybe it knows we are helping.
And kindness costs nothing. Look! It's flying!
Yay! You did it!
What a beautiful moment!
You helped our little friend feel safe again.
We saw flowers, we saw flies, and helped a bird.
The best adventures are the ones we...
And the best memories are made with love. Today, Mia and Leo learned something very important. Being kind doesn't mean doing something big. Sometimes a little help, a little care, and a little love.
See you next time.
Come back for another fun family story.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!